What time is it? It's go time.
Time to take your foot off the brakes,
To hit play.
to leave boring video meetings behind, and connect and create with everything you need in one place.
It's time. Time for you to rise and shine, to punch into the new normal, and suit up to transform the world.
The future of work is here. And Bluescape will help you create it.
Collaborate from wherever you need to be. From meeting rooms, home offices, hotel rooms, and co-working spaces. Make any room your HQ.
And make every workplace work for you. Bluescape powers your collaborations with a fully integrated hybrid work platform.
Whether you're working side by side, in different rooms, or from home, you are always connected to your projects, to your team, to everything you need to succeed.
So be an early bird or burn the midnight oil.
No matter what time it is, you are always in the zone.
Go big,
Go bold.
make noise,
Make waves.
make history.
What time is it?
It's your time.
Bluescape. Together from anywhere.